Hi, my name is Martin. I'm the CEO from the Bernd Langenthal. We have 2 floors. So in the first floor we have a restaurant, and in the second floor we have an event location with a baroque saal, with a ballroom. We have here a lot of events like wedding, birthday parties, meetings, city events for until 400 or 500 people. And for this we use the Artome X20 for the good image, for the good sound for our location. So the Bernd is built at 1602, and the baroque saal, the ballroom, is built at 1896 to 1899. And we have a lot of old history pictures and ceiling decorations, and we cannot fix something on the ceiling. So that's part. We have the Artome. We can move it on all walls, in other rooms. So we choose Artome. That's a lot of flexibility, good image, and very good sound.